transportation and accommodations in Taiwan. For travel services, we recommend SHS Travel Company, classified as Class A. They offer reliable and high-quality transportation services for your convenience. This is the bus we'll be riding, showcasing its exterior and interior. Hotel information. We have carefully selected local hotels for your stay, each offering unique amenities to enhance your experience. Prioritize keeping your hotel rooms tidy, and please be mindful of noise levels to ensure a comfortable environment for all guests. Here is a list of our hotels and their respective websites. GDAKICC reserves the right to make adjustments to hotels of the same category. Access to hotel rooms is restricted, and no guests are permitted without explicit permission from the teacher or trip organizer. Rooms are assigned based on students' preferences. Roommates have been pre-assigned according to students' preferences to promote a comfortable and harmonious stay. Tips and customs. In Taiwan, tipping customs are not as prevalent as in some Western countries.